Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I have come to my mother's house to celebrate Christmas. So today my mother is cooking the curry. That is, she is making snail curry. I'll show you the snail here. You can see the snail here. How lovely it's looking. On this fire, my mother is going to cook this curry. You can see she's put in the onions and mustard oil in the karai. So the recipe is being made by her today. The masala she is going to mix, my mother, that is ginger garlic paste, and this is jeera, dhania, black pepper and mustard paste over here. She has ground the masalas and kept it. Today my mother is making the curry. I am sitting down and watching how she is making it. This will be a new recipe. So come on, let us see. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in the jeera, dhania, black pepper and mustard paste.
नमक का क्रीम है जब ये सब हो जाएगा या कुछ
Put in the curry masala. माफी इतना झाल again put some extra onions. Put some water.
सूखने दो तब डालेगा
Let the water dry. Now the potatoes are being peeled. This also will be put in with the snail. Put in the potatoes. Put in the snail. Put in the salt.
बस इतना नमक बहुत ज़्यादा है
Cover it up and let the water dry. This is dhania patti and this is called Nepali dhania patti. You can see the leaves. So this dhania patti my mother is going to use in the curry, and she is going to use 2 tomatoes also in the curry. So the water is dried up. Now the snail and the potato is being fried up nicely. Put some water again. Tomatoes and the
टमाटर
dhania patti in the curry.
बस हो गया।
Put the cover on and let it cover and let it cook. It will cook for a little while.
लगे चलता है।
Snail and potato curry is ready. You can see the curry, how tasty it's looking. Yummy. Thank you for watching my video.